Yasmin's first day at soccer. Say hi.
Hi! It's my first day of soccer. And now it's time to get ready for the game. And now this child game is when we kick the soccer and then we try to score a goal. And then you wear your clothes. You wear your clothes so they can protect you. Cause if you don't wear your clothes, it'll hurt you. Then.
So what are you wearing right here to protect you? A shin guard?
A shin guard. Yeah. And so these socks that goes all the way up your leg, they protect you too. So you need to put that under the sock so it can feel nice and good when you kick it with this. And when you're trying to score a goal, then you hit it with your head.
Ooh, does that hurt you?
No. It doesn't hurt here, and it doesn't hurt your chest, and it doesn't hurt. No hands. No hands. You can only use your hands if you're the goal. On to the goal.
Are you gonna kick it really hard?
Yeah, kick it really hard so they can miss.
Yeah, and get it away from the other team?
Yeah, from the other team, but the way to get to the other team is to do it really fast. Woo!
Okay, say bye, people.
What?
Say bye.
Wait, I have to tell you a long question.
Wait, I have to go.